In a world where seamless movement drives success, logistics and supply chain management stand as the pillars of global progress. Step into a world of opportunities with Chandigarh University's BBA Honours with research in logistics and supply chain management, a program crafted to create the next generation of strategic leaders. Designed in collaboration with industry pioneers, the future-ready curriculum seamlessly integrates with AI, automation, blockchain, and data analytics to equip you with the skills needed to transform industries. With a strong focus on skill integration and experiential learning, the program equips students to navigate evolving market dynamics with confidence and expertise. Engage with industry-collaborated workshops, dedicated labs, live projects, and expert-led sessions to refine your practical skills. Amplify your professional profile by earning globally recognized certifications. Open doors to a thriving career with placement opportunities at leading organizations. Redefine the future in logistics and supply chain management at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.